y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for watching another one of my videos. So in this video I am installing this wig I was sent from Tinashe Hair. This is their deep wave wig. I do not remember the inches or the length that I have, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna put the correct specs down in the description box. But this is their 13x4 deep wave wig, and it is 180% density. Please forgive how my bald cap looks in the back, honey. Yeah, I know it look a mess. But anyway, this wig, it does come with 4 combs. It also comes with an adjustable band in the back of the wig. And I got a medium brown lace color, and they indeed sent me a medium brown. It matched my skin tone to the T. I still did add powder to the bottom of my lace because I just do that out of habit, but I honestly didn't have to do it. It really matched my skin tone perfectly. Alright, so I did install my wig using bowl hold. This is the regular one, not the active one. I haven't used it in a while, but I'm digging bowl hold. Like, I know I was gassing up Ghost Bun, but bowl hold, it has like a different type of hold. Yeah, it lasts longer than Ghost Bun. So I tied my hairline up to let it dry a little bit. So while I'm letting it dry, I'm going ahead and combing out the waves or the curls in this hair, and I'm going to add some foaming mousse, and I'm going to wet it down so I can get the curls popping. This hair is super soft. It was not hard for me to comb out this hair at all. Very soft and very manageable. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd met you? My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes. Y'all know I love my baby hairs, so I'm doing some baby hairs. I did do them with my Eco Styler gel, of course. I feel it. Who would have thought I'd met you?
drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd met you? Who would have thought I'd met you? And when we make love,
I did bleach my knots on this wig, as well as I did go in and pluck my hairline a little bit more, but it did come pre-plucked. But the knots did bleach well, and I didn't even have to, I don't even think I did, but I did not have to add any powder to my part, which was great. The part was popping on its own.
every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Now I'm just re-wetting my hair again, to just, fix whatever I messed up while I was doing my baby hairs and while I was fixing my part and everything.
Falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd met you?
Y'all know I love big hair and I love to fluff my hair out, so I'm just taking this pick and just going in gently and just kind of breaking up the curls at the root so they won't be stuck together once it dries completely. For this to be 180% density, it was a nice full wig. I did not feel like I was lacking anything, so I did enjoy the density of this wig. But y'all, this is the end of the video. I hope you all did enjoy it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button so I know. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all know I love all things hair, all things wigs. So I thank y'all for supporting me and always watching my videos, because I love doing this. It's always fun for me. But I love y'all so much. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.